solving the quadratic equations using the quadratic formula and use the graphing calculator to check. Can you try question number 10?
I think I made a mistake, so can you help me with this question, please?
Oh, sure. So, first you have to write this equation in standard form. So the standard form is 2x squared plus 4x minus 30 is equals to 0, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we can identify what are the A, B, and C. So clearly A is 2, B is 4, and C is -3. So you have to substitute in the formula. So the formula is x is equals to -b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So -b, it will become -4 plus or minus square root of b square, which means 4 square is equals to 16 minus 4 times 2 times -30 whole divided by 2 times 2, which is 4. So it is -4 plus or minus square root of 16. Negative times negative is positive. And 4 times 2 is 6. My bad. 4 times 2 is 8. And 8 times 30 is 240. So it's plus 240 whole divided by 4. It is -4 plus or minus square root of 256 divided by 4. And 256 is square root of what number?
16.
Yes. So it is -4 plus or minus 16 over 4, which means this is equals to either -4 plus 16 over -4, or it is -4 minus 16 over 4. So here you will get 12 over -4, which is equals to -3, or here you will get -20 over 4, which is equals to -5.
Okay, I got it now.
My bad, this was not -4, it was just 4. So here it's positive 3.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Note it down in your book and try question number 14.
Okay. 14. I got 2 x equals to 2 plus or minus I times square root of 26 over 5.
Can you please repeat?
2 plus or minus I square root of 26 over 5.
26 over 5. Yes, very good. This is correct. Okay, next, try question number 18.